Welcome students. Our today's topic is variety in living organisms. Hello students, do you want to excel in maths and science? We have some don't memorize courses for you which can help you in preparation of maths and science. I have given the links in the description and you can avail 90% of the discount from all these courses. And if you will use this coupon code, you will get extra 10% discount on all the courses. Don't memorize courses are part of Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya. So today we are going to discuss about plant kingdom. We often term this as plantae or plantae kingdom. So under this there are two categories. First ones are cryptogams and second one are phanerogams. Under cryptogams there are three subcategories, that Thallophyta, Bryophyta and Pteridophyta. Whereas under phanerogams there are two subcategories. First one are gymnosperms and second one are angiosperms. And angiosperms are further dividing into monocot and dicot. So here today in this video we are going to learn about all these categories of cryptogams and phanerogams, and we are going to see some of their special characteristics and examples. So now let us learn first basic differentiation between cryptogams and phanerogams. So cryptogams are basically non-flowering plants, whereas phanerogams are flowering plants. The reproductive organs in cryptogams are inconspicuous, that means they are hidden. So that's why they are called cryptogams. Whereas here in phanerogams, clearly differentiated reproductive organs will be there, parts will be there, and they will produce seeds from the sexual reproduction. So under phanerogams, gymnosperms and angiosperms are there. This differentiation is based on whether their seeds are covered or their seeds are naked. Here in cryptogams, further they are classified under what all structures they do have, whether they have separate vessels for water conductions and whether they have separate root and stem structures in plant body or not. So further they are classified into Thallophyta, Bryophyta and Pteridophyta. So in coming segment we are going to learn about all these three and these two subcategories of cryptogams and phanerogams, and we will see that how they are different from each other. So let us see the subcategories of cryptogram which are non-flowering plants. So there are three subcategories under this: Thallophyta, Bryophyta and Pteridophyta. So as we will see the difference, we will get to know that their body design is improving, their structure differentiation is improving as we are going from Thallophyta to Pteridophyta. Under Pteridophyta, the plants do not have well differentiated body design. We must have seen the algae and we can see that there are no differentiation between roots, stem and leaves. So in those kind of plants, we cannot see any well differentiated body design. They are predominantly aquatic and examples are Spirogyra and algae. Now under Bryophyta, they are often termed as amphibian of the plant kingdom. They have the structure which will survive in the water as well as on the land. So they are often termed as amphibian of the plant kingdom. Then second point under this is they have differentiated body parts like stem and leaf-like structure. And examples are moose or funaria or marchantia. Then Pteridophyta. So plants under this family have well differentiated body design, like we can see the root, stem and leaf structure separate in their body design. And the examples are Marcellia and ferns. So as we can see here, Thallophyta do not have differentiated body design, Bryophyta has stem and leaves, and in Pteridophyta they have root, stem and leaves. But they all three are coming under non-flowering plants and they all three are coming under non-flowering plants. Now let us talk about phanerogams. They are flowering plants. They are subcategorized into gymnosperms and angiosperms. So first we are taking gymnosperms. Greek word gymno is for naked and sperma means seed. That means this word is for the plants who are having naked seeds. Plants bear naked seeds. They are not covered in the fruit. They are naked and they have woody structure. Perennial evergreen and woody structure they have, and examples are pine and deodar. Then comes angiosperms. Greek word angio means covered and sperma means seed. So that makes this word, that is angiosperms, means they have covered seeds. Now seed will develop inside an ovary, and under ovary the plant embryos in seed has structure like cotyledons. When seed will germinate, it will have two leaves, then it is termed as dicot. They have two cotyledons. And if seed will germinate and it has only one leaf, that means it has single coat, that means they are termed as monocot. So under monocot we can take example of maize, seed with single cotyledon. If one leaf will come when germination will happen, that means they are monocot, seed with single cotyledon. When seed will germinate and two leaves will come, that means they are dicot, seed with two cotyledons. Here we can take any legume pulses or we can take wheat. So these are the subcategories of angiosperms which have a clearly differentiated reproductive organs. Their seeds are covered, and after the plant embryo will develop, we can see further classification into monocot and dicot.